I am Achal Prakash Punaram Chaudhary with my two fellow colleagues Dhiresh Shetty and Vaibhav Genan. We are from JSPIMS Bureau by Savant Institute of Technology and Research, Bagodi. We are from Department of Telecommunication Engineering. We are here to give a demo of our project titled as Model-Based Design of Digital Fuel Indication System under the guidance of our respective HOD, Dr. Y.S. Angal sir. So coming towards the introduction of this project, we can say that even in the 21st century, almost everything is digitized. But when we go to the automobiles or any vehicle part where the fuel indication thing is being considered, it is still in analog nature. It shows the level of fuels or a quantity of fuel in an analog bar or in an analog pointer. So we cannot determine the exact quantity of fuel being present in that tank. So to overcome those issues as well as the fuel theft being carried out at the fuel pump stations which feel the less fuel than they should feel because we couldn't recognize the amount of fuel being filled in our tanks. So we have developed this project. This project consists of two ultrasonic sensors which will accurately detect the quantity of fuel being present in that tank. So the module of that fuel sensor is HCSR04. It is an ultrasonic sensor which uses ultrasound frequency for the detection of a level in a fuel tank. It also consists of a quality sensor called as MQ135. It is a gas sensor which will try to capture the content of a fuel and also recognize the quality of fuel being present in it. This system is controlled by a controller Atmega 328. It is an AVR family controller. It is a 28-pin controller which is used as the heart of this system. The level of the fuel is shown on the LCD, which is a 8-bit controlled LCD. This system is given to a PC via USB to serial converter. This TTL converter will fetch all the data from the controller and it will give it to the serial port of the PC. And on PC we have used MATLAB R2013A. This MATLAB will use a GUI for the real-time simulation of the project. Now we will demonstrate the working of this project. So here it is. We will fill a fuel tank through this funnel. This pipe will carry the fuel in the fuel tank. As the fuel level rises, the ultrasonic sensors will detect it and will demonstrate it on the LCD. Right now the 200 ml fuel is being filled in the tank. So as the fuel level increases, it will increase its values. The resolution of this sensor is in 100 ml. As per the level of fuel is increased in 100 ml amount, the LCD will display it in 100 ml increment or decrement. For testing the quality of fuel being filled in the tank, this is the switch which will switch it into the sensing quality. Right now no data is showing on LCD because there is no fuel being filled in the tank. When the fuel is being filled in the tank, it will demonstrate its quality. It's either in a bad or in a good using the gas sensors parameters of ppm, which will detect the propane contents from a gas, as every gas has some contents in it which will be diluted in the air, and those contents are captured by the gas sensors and will be showing its comparing it to its threshold value. So when the fuel is being filled in the tank, it will detect its quality by measuring it with its threshold value which is being implemented in its program, and after the comparison it will show it's either a good or bad quality. So here it is showing its good quality. After the connection of a USB to serial converter into a PC, we will open the MATLAB R2013A. The software consists of a GUI and a program which will exactly simulate the real-time simulation of this system. So here the first step is to click on a run. As it executes, we have to put a COM port value, that is a serial COM port values in it, and click on a connection. As the connection establishes, it starts the pin of USB to TTL converter to fetch the data from the AVR, and we have to execute it. So here it exactly shows the amount of fuel level as well as the ppm gas value of the fuel, and it will also demonstrate the quality with the physical, or we can say a graphical manner in which it will demonstrate the fuel level present in a tank.
And when we fill some fuel in the tank, suddenly there will some changes in the GUI, as we can see in the
As the fuel level decreases
changes.
or increases, there will be a real-time changes in the GUI.
Start.
So after the execution of this project or this system, we can say if this system is being or is implemented in real world, so we can know the exact amount of fuel being present in the tank, which will help us to get in inconvenient situations like sudden decrease in our fuel, which will make us stay on a road for a fuel, and it will also help us to avoid the fuel theft being carried by the petrol pump owners by installing some chips in their machineries which shows them high fuel being filled while the fuel is not being filled accurately. Like for example, a recent incident in Delhi where the petrol pump owner was stealing half of the fuel. For example, he filled 1 liter price fuel, but the exact amount of fuel being filled in the customer's bike was only half a liter. So we can avoid those situations, and currently even the costly cars are not having these features, like some of the merchandise cars and luxury cars don't have this feature even after paying a huge amount. So after the implementation of this system, we can avoid those issues and get a better advantage, and we can